Disclaimer, all stunts performed in this video are done in a controlled professional environment where no one is able to get hurt.
What's up, YouTube? It's your boy Sean TV. You feel me? We back at it again in the big body cat with another POV video. You feel me? As y'all can see in today's video, we got the Glock 19X with that titty on it. You feel me? We got that big 50 round drum on that bit. You feel me? Y'all already know how we coming. We got unlimited shots. You feel me? We got 50 bullets in the drum, so that means we can kill 50 niggas. No cap. Hellcat back at it again, screaming through the neighborhood, you feel me? We terrorizing we ain't really in the trenches, today. Y'all hear them tires biting the ground? Let's do some downshifts. Damn! But y'all, we back at it again with a video, you feel me? I decided, I just got off work. I kind of got off work a little early, so I was like, why not pick up the camera, you feel me, and give y'all boys a little video, you feel me? Y'all been actually showing love to your boy for doing these POVs with the guns. I don't mean no harm, you feel me? Some of y'all in the comments be, you feel me, on y'all little periods, getting mad and stuff. If it bothers you so much, bro, you do not have to watch, bro. Not that deep, bro. Calm down before I put this 50 on you, and then we ain't gonna have to worry about you complaining in the comments no more, because you're gonna be gone. No cap. We gonna get on that little windy road. You gotta know how to whip that bit till you feel me cut off on this little road, because if y'all fall off this cliff, nigga, it's over with. You not gonna survive. No cap. We can't cut up too crazy on some real stuff. But I know y'all hear these tires, bro. They holding on for dear life. We did just fill up on gas. Well, I did not fill up on gas. I threw like a little 20 ball in that bit. Cause if y'all don't know, bro, that bit drinks a lot of gas. Should we go left or right? Left? No, we gonna go right. We're gonna bust this little left. We're gonna drive through this little park. We ain't gonna be cutting up too much on this video, you feel me? I feel like I'm gonna have bad luck if I try to go too crazy. I feel like the police gonna be somewhere. Bro, people be like, my car sound like different. Like it sound like really good. All I got is just some mid muffler delete, twin. That's where every nigga in the Hellcat get a mid muffler delete. I need to go ahead and go catless. I keep saying it, but you feel me? Y'all know how it go. But we ain't finna turn this car real soon. I'm just waiting on some stuff to get sent through the mail. I gotta turn this car up before the summertime, you feel me? That's really what I'm trying to do. I'm trying to get this car ready for the summertime. Cause coming up at the end of May, we will we've been did YouTube for a whole year, you feel me? So since it's been a whole year, I gotta basically do this car. This car need a whole makeover, you feel me? I'm trying to have this thing looking totally different. We gotta get over. Oh, never mind, it's traffic everywhere. Let me stop playing around with people before they get scared. You know I got that Glock with that 50 on that bit. No cap. Oh yeah, I forgot. Bro, I really appreciate y'all for getting my video up to 130K. The Glock switch video. Y'all boys, well, it's not at 130K, but I think it is gonna hit. I think it's at like 128,000 views at the moment, which is crazy. Like, that's the biggest video I done had by far. Like, ain't none of my other videos came close. I think my second most viewed video is like 22,000 views, but I was not expecting that video to hit 130K, bro. Like, that's insane. Let me know if y'all also want me to make a video basically showing y'all how much money I done made off YouTube and how much money I made off that video. If y'all want me to make that video, comment down in the comments, I want that video. But don't say I want that video. Just in the comments say we want to see. Y'all know, just comment, bro. I can't even think of what I'm trying to say. But this car really loud though, just to have a mid muffler delete. Damn, now I gotta wait on traffic. Alright, we waiting on this little truck. Alright, we good. And I don't know why my car smell like weed, bro. I don't even smoke. I think somebody left some weed in my car or something. That shit's strong. I know I don't smoke. The one time I did smoke, I was tweaking. I do stupid stuff. So that's why I don't smoke or drink. I be doing too much. And I like staying on my P's and Q's, so you feel me? That's why I don't drink or smoke. And I ain't finna be buying weed. It's like a waste of money in my opinion. I don't know, bro. The real reason why I ain't went catless, y'all, is because I'm worried I ain't gonna be able to hit my supercharger no more. Like, catless is probably gonna sound like double the loudness. And I'm just thinking like, bro, I'm just gonna hear all exhaust. I kind of want the mixture where I got supercharger, wine, and exhaust, so we can hear everything, not just exhaust. Now, if I had a scat pack, like the scat pack I had, it was actually catless. You know, you ain't got no supercharger wine, so I was like, we might well have that bit sound as loud as it can, but also sound good as well. Some people call me loud as hell, but it don't sound like a nigga got a beer can as a muffler. That should be sounding horrible. But it sounds good though. I can't complain about it. Bro, why I keep getting stuck behind slow drivers, bro? Man, y'all niggas know I'm impatient, bro. I'm in the cat. I'm getting ceramic brakes next time, y'all. I don't know. I'm getting ceramic brakes and I'm getting drilled and slotted rotors. After that, if my brakes start squeaking again, bro, I give up. Cause I literally had changed my brakes and they stopped squeaking for 2 days with the new pads. After that, they started doing the same thing, bro. I don't know what it is. I think their cars just like to squeak. I'm really like a real driver. Like this crazy. Like I need to go ahead and go to 1,000. I need to get it bit up to 1,000 horses. I ain't gonna lie, I'd be scared of this car. Then 1,000 horses to the wheels is crazy. That's diabolical. See, bro, this nigga pulled out and I know he finna drive slow. Watch this. People be trying to mess on my videos on purpose. Man, bro. I should run his ass off the road. What y'all think? W move or L move? Well, I could point my gun out the window and make his ass pull over, and then I can go around him. What am I doing? I wonder how this car sound like with people windows up and I'm behind them. It probably still be loud. I'm trying to figure out what way I'm gonna go. I guess I'll go right. Well, guys, I think I done recorded enough. I ain't want to make the video too long. That's gonna wrap it up though for this video, y'all. Make sure y'all boys like, comment, and subscribe. I do got the giveaway, you feel me? That's I'm gonna be doing. Let's see. I'm gonna be announcing the winners this weekend. You feel me? So you feel me? That's what we're gonna be doing. So stay tuned until that video. You feel me? Make sure y'all boy like, comment, subscribe, share. Also, make sure you share the video with y'all partners, no cap. Make sure you turn on your post notification bell, y'all. Until next time, y'all, I'm out. Peace.